Hi, I just want to talk a little bit about English today as a topic. English is an international language. We call it a global language. It opens the door around the world, and uh, we say that English is international language for business. That means all the air traffic control um, are required English speakers. Um, you have to be fluent when you want to be a pilot or flight attendant, because English is essential, and that's why people like to learn English. As you can see, I am an English teacher, and I love English the most about the accents. We have lots of English accents, British, American accent, and so on. So if you want to be fluent in English, this means you can have lots of foreign friends, and you open doors around the world, so you can communicate. It is the tool in the internet. You When you do some research, all resources, or almost the resources you discovered are in English, and even you can see the Chinese or Japanese or Arabic people, they still learn English because it is a global language, or Lingua Franca. So thank you for listening.